Today I'm going to show you how to create an Instagram post with Gamma AI. Adi, step by step, so you can turn a simple idea into a polished, professional-looking social media design in just a few minutes. This is a great method if you want to create carousel posts, square graphics, or vertical story content without spending hours in a design app. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy AI and software tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. The first thing you want to do is log into Gamma AI and start a new project. Once you're inside the dashboard, look for the option that says Create New with AI and click it. This is the fastest way to begin because Gamma will help generate the layout and content for you automatically. If you already have text prepared, Gamma also gives you other ways to start. But for this tutorial, we're using the AI generation workflow from scratch. Next, choose your input method. You'll usually see an option like Generate with AI, and that's the one you want to select. This tells Gamma that you want it to build a design based on a prompt rather than pasted text or an uploaded document. If you ever want to repurpose a blog post, notes, or a script, you can also paste existing text or import a document or URL, but for a fresh Instagram post, Generate with AI is the easiest choice. Now it's time to select the content type. Choose social or social media as the format you want to create. This is important because Gamma needs to understand that you're making content for a social platform, not a presentation, document, or web page. Picking the right format helps Gamma structure the design in a way that fits Instagram's visual style and audience behavior. After that, choose the correct aspect ratio for Instagram. This step matters a lot because the dimensions determine how your post will look once you export it. If you want to make a carousel post, choose Portrait. Portrait is ideal for Instagram carousels and works great for eye-catching, mobile-first designs. If you want a standard single image post, choose Square. Square is still one of the most common formats for Instagram and works well for clean, balanced layouts. If you're creating vertical content for Instagram stories or Reel-style visuals, choose Stories, which gives you the 9:16 vertical format. Picking the right ratio from the start saves you time later and helps your content look more professional. Now comes the most important part, your prompt. Type a clear, detailed prompt that explains exactly what you want the post to be about. The more specific you are, the better Gamma can generate a design that matches your goal. For example, instead of saying something broad like make an Instagram post about marketing, try something more detailed like create an Instagram carousel post about 5 simple productivity tips for remote workers. With a clean modern style, bold headlines, short text blocks, and blue and white visuals. That kind of prompt gives Gamma direction on topic, tone, style, and structure. Once your prompt is ready, click Generate Outline. Gamma will then draft your post and organize the content into a layout for you. Depending on your prompt, it may create multiple slides or panels, especially if you selected a portrait carousel format. Take a moment to review the draft and see how the message is structured. This is where you can start refining the content so it feels more aligned with your brand or your campaign. Now, let's customize and edit the design. Gamma gives you a very useful feature called Edit with AI. You can use this to condense text if the slides feel too busy, rewrite captions to make them more engaging, or simplify the wording so it's easier for Instagram users to read quickly. This is especially helpful because social media design needs to be clean and scannable. You don't want too much text on each slide, and you want the key point to stand out immediately. You can also swap out visuals during this step. If Gamma inserted AI-generated images that don't match your brand, you can replace them with stock photos or your own uploaded visuals. This is a great way to make the post feel more authentic and more on-brand. For example, if you're creating content for a business, coach, creator, or product-based brand, using your own photos or relevant stock assets can make a big difference in the final result. As you edit, pay attention to the spacing, readability, and hierarchy of the design. Make sure the headline is easy to see, the supporting text is short and clear, and the visuals do not overwhelm the message. If anything looks too crowded, use the AI editing tools to tighten it up. The goal is to create a post that looks polished, modern, and easy to understand at a glance. Once you're satisfied with the design, it's time to export. Click Share, then choose Export, and download the design as PNG images. PNG is a great format for Instagram because it preserves image quality and keeps your graphics sharp and professional. If you created a carousel, you can export the full set of slides and upload them directly into Instagram in order. If you created a single square or story design, you can publish it right away, and that's it. You now know how to create an Instagram post with Gamma AI from start to finish. You've learned how to start a new project, choose the right format and aspect ratio, write a strong prompt, customize the draft with AI, and export your final design for Instagram. This workflow can save you a huge amount of time while still giving you high-quality, eye-catching content. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next AI tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.